Best deals. 1. Trash can. Have a semi-automatic sliding lid design. There are two ways to open the lid. The lid is sealed, which can effectively prevent the odor from escaping, and also a good dog-proof trash can. Small and perfect fit for most cabinet doors. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Scrubber set. The ergonomically designed handle of the steel wool scrubber makes your cleaning work easier. The handle is polished and ground as a whole, providing a more comfortable grip. Choose thickened high-quality steel wool pads. The steel wires are closely connected and can easily remove stubborn stains on baking trays and pans. When used with detergent, it generates a lot of foam and does not cause damage to tableware. The short-handled scrubber is used to clean dinner plates, pans, baking trays and tableware. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Basket tea infuser. Whether you prefer hot or cold tea, this infuser is designed to cater to your preferences. It's suitable for brewing a variety of teas, from traditional black or green tea to herbal or fruit infusions. It's ideal for use at home, in the office, or while traveling, allowing you to enjoy your favorite beverages wherever you are. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Manual knife sharpener. Ergonomic handle for safe grip and better control. The bottom offers a stable base to securely keep the sharpener at the same place and prevent unwanted accidents. Made of strong stainless steel material, this can fully endure the pressure generated during sharpening for long. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Extender faucet. Has a built-in honeycomb foaming core, which mixes water well with air, making the water flow smooth, soft to the touch, and eliminating splashes. The addition of air improves the efficiency of water use, thereby saving water. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Mango cutter. Tool designed specifically for cutting and slicing any type of fruits and vegetables like potato, onion, tomato, brinjal, carrot, capsicum, mushroom, apple, guava, green mango. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grape cutter. Crafted with smooth, rounded edges and a secure, non-slip handle, this tool is designed with child safety in mind, ideal for teaching kids basic kitchen skills under supervision. Cuts fruits and veggies quickly and uniformly, reducing prep time in the kitchen. Great for busy mornings, meal prepping, or when hosting gatherings. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Curd strainer. Designed for making thick and creamy yogurt at home with ease. A perfect curd maker for home, it helps you achieve restaurant-style hung curd effortlessly. Featuring a stainless steel mesh, this yogurt filter strainer ensures effective separation of whey, giving you smooth, rich, and delicious Greek yogurt. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Sponge wipes. Crafted from good quality cellulose material, these washable sponge wipes offer excellent water absorption, making them highly effective for cleaning up spills. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Garlic masher. Uniquely designed garlic press with twisting mechanism for efficient extraction of juice and paste from garlic and ginger. Features separate chambers for collecting pressed ingredients and storing unused items for later use. Simple twist and press mechanism requires minimal effort to extract maximum juice and paste from ingredients. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Oil pourer. It's easy to hold and handle, and it won't slip. Anti-drip design keeps the container clean and dry by preventing leaks. Keep an eye on the contents with the clear top, which can be removed for easy refilling. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs and cream. Chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual handheld chopper runs without electricity, the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put it in. Comes with 5 different types of slicers: slicing blade, wavy slicer, 3-way julienne slicer, shredder, and grater. egg whisker and separator or whipping up smooth and fluffy batter for omelets. The chopper comes with a holder that protects your hands from accidental injuries. The chopper also has blade box and chopping blade protector which make it the safest kitchen tool to use. The blades in the body of the chopper are made of high-quality BPA-free materials that enhance its durability. The chopper helps you save time and effort by letting you chop a large quantity of vegetables in a short period of time. It also protects your eyes and hands from irritation or burns that certain raw vegetables may cause. It is a mess-free solution for hassle-free cooking, 100% safe and BPA-free material for ease of use and durability. Rust-resistant and sharp blades, stainless steel blades. Advanced push technology for professional and uniform results every time. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Trivets. Made of high-density natural cork that's sustainably harvested without harming the trees, built to last and reusable, they are environmentally friendly. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Apple slicer. Coarse and evenly slices fruit into perfect 8 slides with one maneuver. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Grape slicer. Sharp serrated blade, non-slip plunger, semi-wrapped design to quickly, easily and safely cut the grape and cherry tomatoes into quarters. One-handed use, just press gently with your thumb to get 4 small pieces of fruit. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Soap dispensing brush. Sturdy body construction, non-scratch and odorless nylon bristles easily scrub off grease and grime, and they are safe to use on non-stick cookware. The brush head can be easily removed and replaced. It will squirt soap with a light push of the button on top. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Squeegee. Blade has no pointed edge that will not scratch the shower glass surface, easy to rinse and wipe clean, with a hanging hole for you to hang it up and store easily, won't take up too much space at your kitchen. Blade has no pointed edge that will not scratch the shower glass surface, easy to rinse and wipe clean. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Glass cleaner. Designed to enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your kitchen sink. This innovative kitchen accessory not only efficiently cleans your glassware but also functions as a glass sprayer, crafted from high-quality stainless steel. The glass rinser guarantees durability and resilience, ensuring it withstands the demands of daily use while maintaining a sleek and timeless appearance. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Drain basket. Airflow supporting drain holes, side ventilation slots are included to promote airflow around washed produce, which may help reduce moisture accumulation. Features a built-in side handle designed for a more stable and balanced grip during use. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Mesh fridge storage. The transparent design helps you quickly spot what you need, and the durable, washable material ensures they last. Product link is given in the 20th link.